Ghana and Che any a very tragic incident. Your national helicopter na ewo on a national duty from Accra to Kumasi. Ekunya nkwanhyia. Ayi na enim say esi just recently enam so ma nipa nwotwe ehwere omo nkwa. Enam so ma defense minister Dr. Omane Boama ehwere no nkwa. Ena Dr. Mutala Mohammed enso so yeden ehwere no nkwa. Ghana nyina baabi edin baabi yeden edi ahweho. Enkofo adwendwen say edin pa na ba ya plane no etimi yeden etimi nya akwanhyia sa. Na bebre de share weather conditions. So na ewie mu nye ene ntia ebia yeden enya sa akwanhyia no. Bebre so ka say ebia na plane no fault ewo. Up to now, you need the reasons why plane no etimi yeden etimi konya sa akwanhyia no. Me ametie still na me guso wonder enkofo bebre wonder. Ampenfo hwehwemu as to why plane no etimi yeden etimi crash sa. Ndina obia de nani eto ade bi mrofo ya hye plane mo mfe ne black box. Black box no ya fidie bi hye plane ni mu na ekoso ewo plane ni mu ansa na plane ehwe from bia no black box no eden record. Na ene de ya na edin se ebetimi yeden asay. The whole Ghana obi etwen Ghana mpenfo se ombeye due investigation akire adekopotia etima sa nkwanhyia yeden ebaaye na next time no ankwanye den ankwangosi biu. Me sure se wo wo twen na yehu the actual cause of the incident. Se ebia ebe technical fault ana se ebia human error bi na cause baabi ene yehu ana adefufuro bi ana weather conditions nkrofo eka ho asem. One, but many twa video bi so. Many etwa video bi so. Na the explanation na nipa ne de ma no. Man dwen kura nkoho sa. Man dwen kura yeden entima nkoho sa. But me hwe video ni din na me hwe say no, we need to investigate case ni. Say to me from the video na me hwe no, we will get to the video. But from video na me hwe ne na nipa na echirem to the extent say it is not mere accident. Keke nipa bebre yehu ni say accident ebia plane fault wo mu na ayeden apakohwe ase. It wasn't a mere accident. Na it was a calculated attempt to assassinate somebody specific. Sa na nipa ne yeden echirem. Nti for now ne yenko video no so na yenko tie asema nipa ne kai. Nipa ne I don't know him. Nipa ne ebia na me came from the look of things obey military expert for. Ana omo ni military for yeden atena ache ne bia, so they know much about these kind of incident assassinations ni ebia unfortunate deaths be say. Maybe they know more about it. Nti yenko hwe sa video no mra. After video no, me dwen say wadwen nyina ebesesa wo incident and as a tragic incident ni esi ya na obia dwen say human error and as electrical fault and as bad weather conditions people supposedly dwen say etie no. Yenko hwe video no mra.
You see, smart people have the right time to plan evil. Bebre they share weather condition. I mean, say helicopter no. Ye burden no for military use. Ye all terrain. Whether rain or sunshine or harmattan, it is supposed to work. It has to work. Eba sano. Nanka pilot no. Obetumi de akobe be safe. No why emergency landing. So easily. But their omode ye machine inti na ɔyɛ ho hwee a ɛnyɛ yie ɛna later ɛkɔhwe ase ɛkɔhwe ase no so helicopter so deɛ maame nkyerɛ aeroplane helicopter jet fighter ɛgya to ma ɛmbɔmbe ɛnsprodi ma ne part ɛnto mpete ma ebi nkɔda about 100 meters unless there was an explosive inside, unless it was hit by an explosive. Hwɛ, ɔmo yɛ too smart o. Ɔmo betuma ma no electrical fault kakra. Into black box no, ebetumi indicate say oh, it had an electrical fault. Na ɛtɔ fam wie a na bomb no so ayɛ ne ho adwuma. Ɛno nti na ɔmo kɔɔ scene no, na ka helicopter de ahyia wobɛkɔ no, na at least ohun sɛ ade ne si hɔ a ahye. But where deɛ ne pass no kura hu baby apete akɔ. Ɔno na ɔsɛ muhu sɛ bibi techi. Bibi techi.
Uhwe video no eto sen. Wadwene ɛyɛ asesa na sɛ ɛbɛyɛ mere fort keke. Yɛnhwɛ an article bi a ɛnɛ mehia ɛwɔ Facebook say Ghana News Online ɛna de bae about an aircraft engineer. Or say an aircraft engineer, Dr. Nesta Otu, has dismissed the idea that bad weather was a factor in a recent helicopter crash. Instead, he emphasizes the possibility of sabotage as the main cause of the incident. And a omode helicopter and a spanner sign be no de some explosive sign be ebeto. Na engineer no say he dismisses the idea. Said na it was a mere weather conditions keke. Send video na ran a kind. People said the aircraft was built a military aircraft, so it was built to withstand most weathers, and it was built to withstand bad weathers. Until by the saying now feed all of the sudden yeah the equation weathers. Say weather conditions and na bad it mad this kind of incident you see yeah. And now friend say bills or sign can say plane aircraft no from reports actually say the parts in baby and not baby the done. It be 100 meters away. It be 200 meters away. Na plane de nim say a share and na any accident around hɔ na nti how come say plane yɛhwehwɛ enne kra no mpemfo e de abɛden abeto say wa obehu plane plane na ɛhwe as ne parts ne bibia no ɔmo yɛ den ɔmo pɛ anase fabra na abɛden na ɔmo ma ska kakra. This means say the security no bibi yakoso. I was say yehwe baby because it looks like it was an assassination attempt. Media to me, that is what I think. I don't know what you also think. Say be a what people are still speculating around say a bad weather now. Me from this video no I have a little change of mind. In painful and yet do investigations pa na next time no we aren't lucky. Said this time ekun nipa 8 na next time na akum more than 8. And I say na next time no what will be coming next no much bigger than what we think now. I don't know. Also what you saying say it is just a mere accident. Yen little investigations na yen forget it. And I say yen dive deep into this matter.